pretty there. Hey, look.
Wow, is that a crayon?
And
Ooh, neat.
ooh,
Wow, a magic wand.
I wonder what's in here. You know what's in the box. And I can open. Wow. There's something pretty good in the box.
There you go.
Huh?
There it is. I just saw it. Oh, nope, Charlotte, it fell out. It's right there underneath the tissue.
What tissue?
Look, Charlotte. It's right there.
Ew.
Look at them. They're really pretty. Look at them. Wow, what beautiful bracelets. Every princess needs a beautiful bracelet, huh? Can you tell Nani thank you? Look at the
Thank you.
camera.
Thank you, Mommy.
Are you so excited for all your princess stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.